Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So today is a very special day for me. I am doing another giveaway on my channel. How awesome is that? I just wanted to tell you that this video is sponsored by our friends from Smile Brilliant, and I am excited to be doing this video today. So a company called Smile Brilliant reached out to our channel and asked us if we would be interested in doing a sponsored review. And again, this is a sponsored video. And I said we would absolutely love to check out their T3 at-home whitening kit. I've always wanted to have my teeth whitened. I say that as I'm sitting in front of my coffee station because you know your girl's a coffee drinker. I'm just going to drink coffee, and it's just something that I enjoy. It brings me much pleasure. It reminds me of my grandfather. He always drank coffee, so I'm just a coffee girl. There's only one small setback with coffee. Coffee does tend to stain your teeth. So while I have clean teeth, they were always a little bit on the yellowish side, which was not my preference. However, to get your teeth professionally whitened at the dentist's office was a little bit outside of this frugal girl's budget. So when Smile Brilliant reached out to us and asked us if we would do the at-home whitening kit and give a review, we said 100% absolutely. So I'm going to insert a few pictures of the before I started the whitening kit process. And let me tell you, you guys know that I'm a busy mom of 2 kids. We all taekwondo. I teach full-time. I homeschool full-time. I don't have a lot of time to do anything, but this probably was one of the least time-consuming things that I've done. Smile Brilliant made it extremely easy for me to do the process with the limited amount of time that I had, and I'm going to share with you exactly what I did. So this is a example of what they sent me in the mail. It's one box kit. It's very simple and easy to use. All I did was open up the kit, and it tells you exactly what's on the inside, and it gives you directions on how to use it. So it does give you 2. They're almost like Play-Doh, but one's blue and one's white. And what you do is you mix the 2 together. You kind of mush them together, and then you place them in these blue molds. These blue molds go inside of your mouth for a certain amount of time, and you're creating your impressions. This is the exact process that you would do at your dentist's office. And then you take those impressions, you mail them to their lab, and they will send you back perfect teeth impressions that fit your mouth, and you're ready to begin the whitening process. Once you send your impression trays off, you're going to get a small package in the mail from the lab, and it's going to be this little white container. And inside this container, they have sent me my molds. So I have 2 molds. I have a top mold and I have a bottom mold. And these are perfectly fit and matched to my teeth. If you think about it, as I'm looking at the molds right now, I have a gold cap on one of my teeth, and there's an impression on it. And it's so closely to that the impression that's on my gold cap is on the impressions that they sent me. So it's very true to form of what it's going to be like when you put them on your teeth. They fit exactly into my teeth. Once you get these, you're ready to start. So what I had to do was I put in the whitening gel. So I don't have a lot of time. How do I figure this out with my busy life schedule? What I was pleased to find is that when I was ready to do my whitening, what I did was I would get my trays ready. I would put my molds in, and then I would do things that I would normally do around the house. I would cook dinner for the kids. I would set laundry. I would do house cleaning. You know your girl's not going to miss a super doubles. I even had my whitening trays in when I was at the grocery store. Okay? Because it was very simple. Put your gel in, pop your trays in, go about your daily life. It was not anything that was too much for even this busy girl. So I was excited to be able to have this process at home because for me, I just don't have the funds to do it through my dentist. So this was a very good choice for me, and I was very pleased with the results. So for the whitening process, it comes with 2 gels. You have a gel whitening, and then you have a desensitizing gel. If you tend to have sensitive teeth, you're going to use the desensitizing gel after you use the whitening gel, and that's going to help you. Leave it on your teeth for about 15 to 20 minutes, and it's going to actually desensitize the areas. I never had to use the desensitizing gel. So you can do between 7 and 12 sessions. I chose to do 8 sessions, and what I found with doing 8 sessions was it was just enough whitening for me that it was a subtle whitening. I've seen some that it's stark on their whitening. You're like, ooh, what happened to you? You know, I didn't want anybody to have a rash response to my teeth whitening. I wanted it to be very gradual. But I will be honest with you, I was filming a video one day for my channel, and when I went back to do the edits, I looked at my teeth and I was like, oh my God, they are so white. What in the world? Surely people are going to have questions. But nobody ever said anything. I realized that they were much whiter, and I was very happy with that. Because I am an avid coffee drinker and I have some fillings in the front of my teeth, I actually usually get a coffee stain that runs along the line of the filling in the front of my tooth. I have one tooth right here that has a filling in it, and so I usually get a coffee line there where I can tell it's much browner than any of my other teeth, and it always bothers me because I'm like, oh man, I hate that that's there. But with this whitening process, that line is totally gone. And the only other time I've been able to have it gone is when the hygienist goes in with her powerful water pick, and she's been able to get rid of it, but it always comes back. It is not there anymore, and that made me very happy. Because I'm thinking people are always looking at my mouth when I'm talking, so I'd like to have the best smile that I can. I don't smile very often, but since I've been doing the whitening, I smile a lot. So it was a very gradual process for me, and I enjoyed it. Again, like I said, nothing that I did was too much time. Pop them in when I'm ready to cook dinner. It's going to take me about an hour at least to get dinner done. You can do between 45 minutes and up to 3 hours of whitening. I chose to do 1 hour at each session, so I have up to 8 hours of worth of whitening on my teeth, and it turned out perfectly well. And so I'm excited to share with you that Smile Brilliant wants to give you, one of my subscribers, one of these kits. So I'm going to tell you how you enter the giveaway. But I do want to share one funny story with you before I tell you about the giveaway requirements. So I talk to my sister on the phone every day, and because I put my trays in when I'm just doing stuff around the house, I thought it's not going to be a problem to call my sister. So I call her on the phone, and I've got my trays in, and I'm just talking. I'm having a regular conversation, and she's laughing at me so hilariously because I sound funny. Again, I have the trays in my mouth. I'm still going to have a beautiful smile. She's still going to be my sister, and it all worked out great. So anyway, here are the requirements of the giveaway. This is going to be an international giveaway. Whoop, whoop. This is open to the U.S. residents. It's open to UK, Australia, and Canada. This giveaway is going to run for 2 weeks. After this video posts, it will run for 2 weeks. It will close after the 2nd week. What you'll have to do is click on the link in the description box below, and you'll enter in your name and your email address. After that, you'll be entered into the giveaway. So I do hope that some of you will enter into the giveaway. And again, let me just say this for us frugal folks, because my platform has always been frugality. This was very affordable. It was not anything that, when I think about how much it would have cost me at the dentist's office, it's not something I would have considered then, but I definitely would consider it at this price point. So very frugal, and again, the results were amazing, at least to me. I thought they were very good. I feel very much more confident in my smile. I feel very much more confident in my assessment of the product, and I'm really glad that I did it. So again, I want one of you guys to jump on board, check out this product for yourself, enter at least to win the giveaway, because that's one way that you could possibly try it out. is to enter to win. Remember, this is a sponsored video. I'm really excited that you stopped by our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by our kitchen. I'm going to still drink coffee, but I'm still going to be smiling brilliantly because of the folks over at Smile Brilliant. So thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you have questions about this giveaway, please look for all the information in the description box below. We're excited to host you in our kitchen. And until next time we sit down and chit chat over coffee, bye now.